This is unboxing of 6-layer rolling bookshelf. Discover the ultimate solution for a clutter-free home. Our 6-layer rolling storage bookshelf is perfect for your room or any space. Discover the ultimate solution for organizing your books and pens. This is a piece of information on how to assemble the parts together. This is one of the 5 baskets. Discover how this innovative 6-layer rolling storage bookshelf can transform your space and your books organized. This is the storage box for pens and other small items like clips and keys. It's a multifunctional rolling storage rack with wheels, ideal for students and office employees. It can hold a good number of books and helps make your desk tidy. And these are the wheels which will be attached to the bases. These are the snaps which will secure the parts together. This is one of the 2 bases for this rolling bookshelf. And here's how to assemble this DIY bookshelf. No screws needed to assemble these parts. Just slide in one piece to another. Here, I slide in a side panel to the base. Then slide in a base to one side of the basket. And the other base to the other side of the basket. Slide in a side panel to one end of the next basket. And another side panel to the other end of the basket. Then snap this basket to the first basket. Repeat this process to the next 3 baskets. Now we have all 5 baskets in place. This time, we do the same step for the storage box. Now it's time to secure the connections using these snaps. And lastly is the installation of wheels to the vases. The larger compartment of the storage box is actually for holding a roll of tissue paper. But I will use this compartment to hold the Wi-Fi modem. Check out this stylish and functional 6-layer rolling storage bookshelf.
I hope you find this content helpful. Teacher Bob has demos and lessons on how to play the guitar, ukulele, and drums. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.